Okay, great. So I got it to connect, and I was hoping that the you know functionality in Goose DeFi would be available, like when you so there's like the main farming spot. This is the home page, which you did, very good. Um, Obviously there's no Twitter channel to display here, but I can take care of that later. Not too concerned. So the nests, you get that working good. The farms you got working good. And then I was wondering about this trade. When I press trade on the site you built, it goes to, instead of like you see how you stay on Goose, and it just changes the right side of the page, but not the anything else. In the website you built, when you press like liquidity or exchange, it goes to the pancake. So I was hoping there would be regular functionality. I mean, obviously, nothing's going to work the same on the testnet um, as the mainnet, but getting that functionality is going to be really important going forward. Want to make sure that that works. And then the other thing was the docs. If you could, oh, they don't have to. Oh yeah, the more. If you could just like unlock that more. I don't know if that's a thing we can just copy and paste like a clone. I thought I had mentioned it, maybe not, but yeah, that more would be great. I understand you guys are already at the end of the timeline, so just give me a heads up and let me know if that's a possibility for us to get working. One thing I was wondering about is that when I buy more eggs, so I have like more egg in my balance, I just like, added some. Um, I did notice that it doesn't, so I just like bought some egg. Technically speaking, I should be able to see the egg in my balance. So let's just take a look and make sure that that works. But then also the market cap should go up slightly. Oh, okay. So that's reading very well. That's good. I'm just trying to understand why the market cap never went up. And let's bring the total minted down to like 300. I know that's in the deployment phase. You deploy a certain amount usually. Actually, it might be in the contract. I'll have to take a look at it. But yeah, when you get a chance, get back to me about the market cap changing when purchase happens. I'll try to refresh, but yeah, that should update. One would think. And then let's just see how this works. So I don't know if we went live yet, but let's see. Okay, so there's an error being thrown. Maybe a lack of B&B. Yeah, so just tell me why that error is being thrown. Um, it shouldn't be that much. It should be like 40 to 50 cents. A dollar at most. That's like $100 worth of B&B. But overall, pretty good job. Thanks again, guys.